Ahrefs Affiliate Program Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to the Ahrefs Affiliate Program Review. In this video, I'll be sharing everything you need to know about the Ahrefs Affiliate Program, its features, and how you can start earning by promoting one of the best SEO tools available. Be sure to check out the links to the products in the description below. Ahrefs is a premium SEO toolset designed to help marketers, agencies, and website owners improve their search engine rankings and grow their organic traffic. It offers a suite of features such as site audits, backlink analysis, keyword research, and competitor analysis. What sets Ahrefs apart is its vast and continuously updated database, making it one of the most powerful SEO tools for on-page optimization and link building strategies. Whether you're an experienced SEO professional or a beginner, Ahrefs' intuitive interface and data-driven insights make it easy to use and highly effective in boosting your SEO efforts. Now let's talk about the Ahrefs Affiliate Program. The program offers generous commissions, where you can earn a recurring 20% commission for every sale made through your referral link. This means you can continue to earn money as long as the customer stays subscribed, making it an attractive option for those looking for a long-term affiliate income. Ahrefs is a trusted, high-quality product with a strong brand reputation, which makes it easier to convert potential customers and increase your earnings. The affiliate program is managed through Impact, and they offer comprehensive affiliate resources such as banners, links, and marketing materials to help you promote Ahrefs effectively. Ahrefs' cookie duration is 30 days, which is standard for many affiliate programs, and payouts are made monthly. The best part is that Ahrefs has a low refund rate thanks to the quality of the product, which means your commissions are more likely to stick. One of the key advantages of promoting Ahrefs is its massive audience appeal. Whether you're targeting digital marketers, SEO agencies, or e-commerce businesses, Ahrefs offers a solution that solves common SEO problems and improves online visibility. This makes it a highly desirable tool for a wide range of users. In summary, the Ahrefs Affiliate Program is perfect for those looking to promote a high-quality, high-demand product. With its attractive commission structure, recurring revenue, and solid reputation, it's a great program for those looking to build a passive income stream. If you're ready to get started, make sure to check out the links in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.